In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the activities calendar in Pipedrive in just 3 minutes. We'll keep it quick and practical so you can immediately find what you need and stay organized throughout your day. Start by looking at the main navigation on the left-hand side of your Pipedrive workspace. Click on Activities. This is the central hub for your calls, meetings, follow-ups, and any tasks you've scheduled. Opening this section helps you stay focused on your daily work instead of digging through deals or contacts. Once you're in Activities, move to the top left and switch to the Calendar view. This changes your display from a simple list into a time-based layout that's much easier to scan at a glance. In this view, your activities are organized into columns for each day of the week and rows representing the hours of the day. Think of it as a grid, days across and hours down. This layout makes it easy to see not only what you need to do, but exactly when you'll be doing it. It's especially helpful for spotting scheduling conflicts and planning a realistic workload. If you need to look beyond the current week, go to the top right of the calendar. You can change the week by clicking the calendar control or by using the left and right arrows to move backward or forward. This is useful when preparing for upcoming meetings, planning travel days, or identifying open time slots for new activities. To stay focused, use the Filter dropdown at the top right. Filters allow you to display only what's relevant, such as a specific activity type, a particular user, or a status like overdue or completed. This is especially helpful if you're working in a team or managing multiple types of tasks. By reducing clutter, your calendar becomes much easier to read and act on. And that's all you need to navigate the activity calendar efficiently. Just click Activities on the left, switch to Calendar view, read the grid of days and hours, move between weeks, and refine your view using filters. With these basics, you can confidently plan your day, keep your commitments visible, and stay ahead of upcoming tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.